On 31st December next, the Brexit transition period ends. Ireland and the EU want the closest possible future relationship with the UK. However, no matter what happens in the negotiations, in just over 100 days, Britain will be outside the EU's single market and customs union. This means huge and lasting change is on the way no matter what happens. It's vital we are ready for it. Last week, the government launched its Brexit Readiness Action Plan. The plan provides real practical information on what actions both businesses and consumers must take in advance of the December deadline. The plan also provides detailed information on the government supports available to help you prepare for these changes. This is a challenging time for all of us. All the support and advice that you need is available at gov.ie/Brexit.